SOT Stories.
I'm Thomas Hartung from Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore. I'm part of the Ontox project, and I have the privilege to lead the artificial intelligence part of Ontox. I'm coming to SOT for now 20 years, and my main impression is always it is changing. When I came the first time, there was only animal testing, and this was very, very rare thing to see somebody working on cell culture or computational methods. Now it's all over. Yeah, so it's the change is palpable. The Society of Toxicology in the US is the largest in the world. It brings also all the other countries here. If you're recognized here, you're recognized everywhere. You know, if you can make it here, you can make it everywhere. I have to say that at the moment it is an easy sell to sell artificial intelligence. The progress in all areas of life is tremendous, and the people are longing to hear what it means for toxicology. So I was very happy that I had several highlighted talks, the SOT luncheon, but also the session speech today, and the reception is outrage. It's fantastic how people are understanding that something new is coming, which is unavoidable, and they have to embrace it. I think that we see at the moment the synergy of many disruptive forces. Cell culture, bioengineering is changing with microphysiological systems. We see that computational methods are taking off. And we see that also a lot of the roadblocks from regulators, we have always been doing like this, are falling. It's the moment of change. And the cluster is from three very different perspectives adding to this. And it is breaking down science to practice. It is really bringing solutions to some of these things. They are rudimentary at the moment, but I'm very optimistic that we will get out with some very interesting advancements towards a new generation of risk assessments.